Welcome to AMS. Today, in this video, we will solve two linear equations by using substitution method. So, our given equations are 2y equal to x plus 9 and x is equal to y plus 6. So, I am representing this equation as equation number 1 and I am representing this equation as equation number 2. So, in order to solve both these equations by using substitution method, first you will select any equation. Okay, first you will select any equation, any one equation basically. You can select any one of equation, it's up to you. I am selecting equation number 2. Why? Because it is already arranged for x. Okay, but if your equation are in implicit form, it means that the mixed values are given to you inside the equation, then first you will arrange your equation for any variable, either it can be x or y. Now when we will arrange this equation, or we have if already a equation, then now what will you do? First you will put this value of x, which is equal to y plus 6, inside this place, inside the equation number 1 at the place of x. So what we will get? Simply we will get 2y same as before. This x now will change into y plus 6 because we insert the value of x from equation 2 inside the equation number 1, and plus 9 will remain same. Now we will simplify this equation now. So this y will go to the other side of the equation and it will change into minus y, and we will add 6 plus 9 here. So what we will get? Y equal to 15. This is y equal to 15. Now we will solve our equations for x. So in order to solve our equations for the value of x, we will put this value y equal to 15 inside the equation 2 at the place of y. So what we will get? X is same as before, y will turn into 15 and plus 6 is same as before. Now x is equal to 21. 21 is the value of x. So 21 comma 15, this is the values for x and y. So I hope this video will be very useful to all of you. If you like this video, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.